I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio Korean lesson that helps each rung click.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. 코리안 레더에 오신 걸 환영합니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호입니다. 오늘도 차근차근 올라가 봅시다.
Here's my English speaker problem. I can say 비싸요, and I can say 맛있어요. But how do I make one smooth sentence? It's expensive but delicious.
좋은 질문이에요. Korean loves connecting thoughts, and today the connector is 지만.
For example, 비싸지만 맛있어요 means it is expensive, but it is delicious.
So, 지만 is like the little hinge between two opposite ideas.
맞아요. A is true, but B is also true. And B is usually the point you want to land on.
Let's frame it simply. Take the dictionary form, remove 다, then add 지만.
어렵다 becomes 어렵지만. It means difficult, but.
먹다 becomes 먹지만. It means eat, but.
Let me try the cafe one. 비싸지만 맛있어요.
좋아요. 비싸지만 맛있어요. The first part sets up contrast, and the second part gives the final message.
Here is another natural example. 어렵지만 재미있어요. It is difficult, but fun.
작지만 편해요. It is small but comfortable.
멀지만 가고 싶어요. It is far, but I want to go.
I notice the English can be but or sometimes although. Like although it's far, I want to go.
맞아요. In Korean, 지만 can cover both but and although. The relationship is contrast.
Now let's unpack the shape. 지만 attaches before the polite ending of the final sentence.
Notice we do not say 추워요지만. Use the stem, 춥. Then 지만.
Ah, so the first clause is not a full polite sentence. It is the stem plus 지만.
Exactly. 비싸요지만 sounds wrong. Say 비싸지만.
Now, past tense. If the first idea happened in the past, use 았지만 or 어찌만.
비쌌지만 맛있었어요. Means it was expensive, but it was delicious.
어려웠지만 재미있었어요. Means it was difficult, but it was fun.
So, if I mean yesterday, 어제는 바빴지만 괜찮았어요.
네, 자연스러워요. The past marker sits inside the first verb before 지만, 바빠지만.
Let's hear a short dialogue. Listen for how 지만 keeps the contrast inside one sentence. 이 케이크는 비싸지만 맛있어요.
맞아요. 커피는 쓰지만 향이 좋아요.
가게는 작지만 분위기가 좋아요.
I heard three contrasts. Expensive but tasty, bitter but smells good, small but nice atmosphere.
Good listening. The part after 지만 usually tells us what matters more to the speaker.
Now your turn. Repeat after me. 어렵지만 재미있어요.
어렵지만 재미있어요.
좋아요. One small sound note, 어렵지만, is pronounced with a smooth transition, not as two separate English-style words.
Try another one. 멀지만 가고 싶어요.
멀지만 가고 싶어요.
완벽해요. Now let's catch a common mistake.
My mistake would be 이거는 비싸요지만 맛있어요. I'm guessing that is not right.
맞아요. not 비싸요지만. Say, 이거는 비싸지만 맛있어요. 지만 attaches to the stem, not to the polite ending요.
Another useful contrast. 그렇지만 starts a new sentence. 지만 connects inside one sentence.
비싸지만 맛있어요 is one sentence. 비싸요. 그렇지만 맛있어요 is two sentences. It is expensive. However, it is delicious.
So, 그렇지만 is like pressing pause, then adding however.
Yes, in speaking, 지만 often sounds smoother and more connected. 그렇지만 can feel more separate or more deliberate.
Quiz time. Which sentence is the best natural one-sentence way to say, it was difficult but fun?
B has.
여, before, 지만,
So no. C is okay Korean, but it is two sentences. I choose A.
정답은 A예요. 어려웠지만 재미있었어요. Past marker, then 지만, then the second clause.
Let's recap. First, 지만은 대조를 연결해요. In English, 지만 connects contrast. A is true, but B is also true.
Second, 어간에 지만을 붙여요. In English, attach 지만 to the stem. Do not attach it after. 요.
Third, 과거는 앗지만 or 어찌만을 써요. In English, for the past, put the past tense before 지만, like 비쌌지만.
Fourth, 그렇지만은 세 문장을 시작해요. In English, 그렇지만 means however or but at the start of a new sentence, while 지만 connects inside one sentence.
Keeper sentence time.
비싸지만 맛있어요.
It's expensive, but delicious. I will use that immediately at a cafe.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 비싸지만 맛있어요. Remember this one sentence today. It's expensive, but delicious.
다음 런기에서는 이유를 자연스럽게 연결하는 법을 볼 거예요. Next time, we connect reasons naturally. Korean ladder였습니다.